Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting data. Export VM configurations and copy VHD/X files to an external drive. Once done, gracefully shut down or save state every virtual machine. Use Stop VM or the Hyper-V Manager to avoid corruption. Make sure to note virtual switch names, adapter bindings, and any static IPs so you can reapply them later. If you rely on snapshots, export those too. This prevents surprises when you reset roles or remove networking components. Next, remove virtual networking. Delete all VM switch instances and clear any host NIC bindings so the host stack is clean. You can run remove VM switch and remove VM host network adapter in PowerShell, or use Hyper-V Manager for the same tasks. After networks are removed, uninstall the Hyper-V role via Server Manager or PowerShell, remove Windows feature, or disable Windows optional feature. Then reboot the host. This clears service registrations and virtual switch remnants. After reboot, reinstall the Hyper-V role and rebuild your virtual switches and host NIC bindings. Recreate external, internal, or private switches as required. Once networking is in place, import VMs from your exported configurations or attach VHD/X files to new VM definitions and test boot each machine. Make sure services like VMMS are running and that host firewall or antivirus settings aren't blocking management traffic. If a VM won't start, check the Hyper-V VMMS event log.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.